Want bigger biceps fast? Then don't skip this video. These powerful exercises can completely change your arm size and help you build sleeve-busting biceps. Number 1. 21 says bicep curl 4 sets. 12 reps. Grab a straight or curved bar evenly and stand tall. Bring your shoulders back, squeeze your glutes, and take a breath. Curl the weight halfway to the point where your wrists align with your elbows for save. Number 2. Behind the back curl cable 4 sets. 12 reps. Set the pulleys at around mid-thigh height. Attach handles and select the load. Grab the handles one by one and stand so the pulleys are behind you. Take a couple of steps forward to lift the weight. Number 3. Bicep curl barbell 4 sets. 12 reps. Pick the bar up and hold it with a grip slightly wider than your hips. Your arms should be straight with your palms facing forward. Straighten your back, bring your chest out, take a breath and curl the Number 4. Bicep curl cable 4 sets. 12 reps. Attach a straight bar to a low cable pulley. Set the load on the weight stack at the appropriate amount. Lean forward and grab the straight bar evenly with your palms facing up. Stand up and step back if necessary. Number 5. Bicep curl dumbbell 4 set. 12 reps. Grab pair of dumbbells and stand tall with your feet in a comfortable stance and shoulders retracted. Have your wrists pointing forward and your arms extended. Take a breath and curl both dumbbells mount. Number 6. Bicep curl machine 4 sets. 12 reps. Select the correct load on the machine and adjust your seat's height. Sit down and grab the handles by your sides. Bring your shoulders back, engage your abs and take a breath. Bend one arm to lift the hand. Number 7. Bicep curl suspension 4 sets. 12 reps. Grab the pair of handles attached to a suspension training kit. Walk your feet forward to lean your body back to some degree. Extend your body, squeeze your glutes and bring your shoulders back. Number 8. Concentration curl 4 set. 12 reps. Take a light dumbbell and sit on a flat gym bench. Spread your legs wide and place the dumbbell between your legs. Reach down and grab the weight with your right hand. Lift the weight off the floor and place. Number 9. Cross body hammer curl 4 sets. 12 reps. Grab pair of dumbbells and stand tall. Have your feet in a normal stance, arms to your sides and palms facing your body. Bring your shoulders back, squeeze your buttocks and take a breath. Curl 1.